Namaste! Today let's make momos using wheat flour. So first let's knead the dough. For that we need bowl, 2 cups of wheat flour, oil, water and salt. So let's add the wheat flour to the bowl. Then let's add in some salt. I'm using salt water, you can use normal salt powder. The dough should not be too hard or too soft, so we should add water accordingly. The dough is ready. Now let's add in some oil. Let's cover it with a wet cloth and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. While the dough is setting down, let's make the filling. So let's light on the gas, add in some oil and let the pan heat up. Ingredients we need is pepper powder, grated carrot, chopped onion, capsicum, ginger, garlic and green chili finely chopped. So first, let's add in the ginger, garlic and green chili and saute them. Now they've turned golden brown. Now let's add in the chopped onions. You have to saute them till they are turned golden and brown. Now let's add in the grated carrot. And fry them with the onions. And next, let's add the capsicum. Make sure that the filling isn't too dry. Let's add in some salt. Now the pepper powder. Now let's saute them. Nice smell. Yay, it's all ready. Now let's make the sauce. We need roughly chopped onions, tomatoes, red chilies, ginger and garlic and some tamarind. Let's add in the onions and the tomatoes. Then let's add the water. Then the red chilies, garlic, ginger, salt and water again. Make sure the water covers up all the ingredients. Now let's keep that for the boiling. The dough is all set. Now let's make small balls of it. The balls are all ready. Now let's roll them. The white powder I'm using is normal wheat flour. Now let's make small chapatis out of these balls. Yay, we all roll them up. Now I'll show you how to wrap them. So first, add the filling into the small chapati we rolled. Then wrap it like how I'm showing you. Make small pleats of the chapati. Like this, let's make small momos out of all of these chapatis. Yay! They're all ready to cook. Now let's keep them in the steamer. For about 20 to 30 minutes. Now let them cook in hot momos. Till then, let's grind the sauce. So they're all to cool down. Add into the blender or mixer. Add small tamarind. That's optional. And grind them up. Yay! The sauce is ready. Now let's check on our fresh hot momos. See, they're all done. Yum! Now enjoy these fresh hot momos. Thank you. Bye.